Hey, welcome back everybody to a new YouTube video, and we're back. I know I've taken a break from YouTube, but I needed that because I was really busy in life. I've been running a tech company, so I've been putting most of my time into that, and I got a little bit distracted, but now I'm happy and I'm glad that I'm back. Alright guys, so let's get right into it, the stock picks. I know all the stocks have been down as of yesterday, down a lot. So this is the best time maybe to buy some stocks and maybe hold in your portfolio. Um, I'm thinking the stocks can even go down more in September or the beginning of September. So these are like some short-term plays. If you get lucky, these could be long-term plays. But I do have a feeling that the stocks might come down even a little bit more. So the first one on the list is Crowdstrike. You know, Crowdstrike has been hit because of their outage with all the airlines, Windows. So they dropped this price from all the way from 400 to 198 yesterday. I bought an options call at 216. Now it's at 229. I know a hedge fund manager also repurchased Crowdstrike in the low 200s, and he doubled down again. I think CrowdStrike's probably going to go back to 300. You can probably make a 50% return on this. It will go back up when January comes around. So this is a great stock to buy, actually. Number 2 on the list is Domino's. Domino's fell a little bit as well. It used to be around 500, but now it's slowly coming back up. It's in the 430s. I bought this at 421. I do have a feeling that it'll probably go back to 480. You can maybe make a 10 to 20% return on this. Number 3 on the list is McDonald's. McDonald's, again, the reason why I'm buying McDonald's is because I do believe we're in somewhat of a recession right now. And when people don't have money, they tend to buy cheaper food options, and McDonald's and Domino's are those cheaper food options. I bought McDonald's at 255. It's at 269 right now. You can probably see this go back up, maybe even hit 300 by October, November. That's when I'm gonna sell. 4 on the list is Nvidia. People are asking me, have I ever sold some of my Nvidia calls? I did sell a couple of my Nvidia calls before it dropped, but I do think Nvidia is going to go back up, probably past 140 after December. I have calls expiring in 2025, so I'm fine on this. Nvidia has a healthy balance sheet. It's also it's probably the top chip maker in terms of performance and design. And I think Nvidia, with the dollar being dropped and it being traded at 104 and it being reset, I think this is gonna get pumped after earnings. So I would just buy call options on Nvidia. Like, this is so cheap. Even yesterday when it touched 90s, I bought another call option that expires in 2025 when it was at 99. Now it's at 104. I think you could see this thing hit 140s, past 140s by the end of December. 5th on the list is Coke. Coke already jumped up to the 1200s range. People might say it's too high right now. It is pretty high, but I do believe, again, it is recession. You can probably see this thing hit another 100 or 200 bucks up. If not, you can just hold this stock for another year or two, and it'll probably still go up another 100, 200 bucks. You can sell then. I mean, I'm all about making money now. Like, you have to make 10, 20%. Before, it's making like over 80% on calls, but that's because the market was high. And now you've seen this trend where the market, there is a chance for this to bottom even more. I'm playing short-term calls on this, so if I make a 10 to 30% return on these calls, not calls, but some of the shares I buy, then I'm probably going to sell early. But on the calls, if they're up like 100%, I'm selling. Like, I'm not going to hold them for 2 to 300%. Just because I feel like that these stocks might be able to bottom even more. I don't think Nvidia is going to bottom more, but I mean, it's possible. It's possible. It's highly overvaluated, but all of these hedge funds want to see Nvidia going up, so they want to shake some people out while it's low. I think they have already, but you can see Nvidia to go back up. So these are the stock plays for today. Hopefully, I can update you guys with more this week and maybe next week. Just let me know. All right, see you guys.